In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello for project management, 5 minutes. First, head to the Trello website. If you're new, sign up for a free account. If you already have one, simply log in. Once you're in, look for the option to create a new board. A board is your project's home base, so give it a clear, descriptive name that reflects the project or purpose. Before you create it, choose the visibility that suits your needs. Private is ideal for personal or internal work, while team or public options are useful when broader collaboration or transparency is required. Inside your board, you'll see that Trello is built around two core elements: lists and cards. Lists help you organize work into stages, and you can customize their titles to fit any process. A classic workflow uses lists like to do, in progress, and completed. For content creation, you might set up ideas, research, writing, editing, and ready for publishing. Don't worry about getting it perfect on the first try. You can always drag and drop lists to rearrange them as your workflow evolves. Cards live within lists and represent individual tasks, notes, or ideas. To create one, click. Add a card at the bottom of any list and give it a clear, action-oriented title. The heart of Trello is moving cards through your process, so as work advances, drag each card from one list to the next to reflect progress. Clicking on a card opens the card back where you can add details and collaborate. Use the description area to provide context, requirements, or instructions. If a task has multiple parts, add checklists to break it into smaller, trackable steps. Set due dates to establish deadlines and get timely reminders, which helps keep everything on schedule. Apply labels to categorize work. Color-coded labels make it easy to spot priorities, task types, or departments at a glance. Add attachments to keep relevant files, links, or images in one place, so you're not hunting through folders later. Finally, use comments to communicate directly on the card, keeping discussions and decisions centralized and easy to reference. That's the foundation of using Trello for project management. Create a board, define your lists to match your workflow, add cards for tasks, and move them along as work gets done. Enhance each card with details, checklists, due dates, labels, attachments, and comments to keep your team aligned and your project on track.